Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and hopefully these tutorials help you in learning your subject wise daily schedule work. As today is Wednesday 20th May 2020, so on the basis of current schedule in understand and communicate, the material for learning comprises of grammar lesson number 9, page number 149, question number 1 and 2, and material for writing comprises of lesson number 13, question answers from your comprehension portion. So first what will you do with the writing material? You will do the to revise lesson number 13 question answers and attempt in your notebooks. Now come to the material for writing, that is grammar lesson number 9, 149 page. Lesson number 9, present perfect tense. As this lesson is based on the present perfect tense, so first I will define you what are present perfect tense. Present perfect tense are those tenses in which it tells you about that some work or actions have been started in the past, but they are still continuing. So when we are talking about the structure of present perfect tense, it is subject plus have/have plus third form of verb plus objects. Has and have has some conditions. These helping verb has where put when we when the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun. जब हमारे पास he, she, it या any कोई भी singular noun हो जो singular हो, वहाँ पर हम has put कर देते हैं. And have whenever we put have when we have I, you, they and we or any plural subjects. For examples, I have cooked. With I, according to this rule, with I cooked, have is put. She has cooked. She, with she, we put has. In the lower example, second or third or fourth example, we have eaten. With we use have. He has eaten, and we use has. Okay, all we have understand. Or third form of verb. In every example, third form of verb is used with have or has. Now come to the next page. As today is question number 1 and 2, so let's come to its exercise. First, fill in the blanks in each sentence with the present perfect tense of the verb given in brackets. I have already taught you that with subject plus have/have or plus third form of verb and plus subject full stop. So in this exercise we use third form of verb plus has or have according to the subject. हमारे पास जो सब्जेक्ट होगा, जैसे स्टडी है वी डैश स्टडी इंग्लिश फॉर 10 years. सो यहाँ पर स्टडी है. when we change this form of verb into present perfect tense, we use has plus studied. Has studied. Okay, now come to the B. We dash be friends since 1970. For B, we use third form. When we use third form, we have been. We have been. She teach in this school for 5 years. When we change the teach verb into the present perfect tense of the verb, we use she has taught. Has plus third form of verb has taught. She post the letter. She has posted the letter. Samuel join our class. Samuel has joined the class, our class. he do the gardening. He has done gardening. He hold the post of chairman since 1972. He has held. She leave for school. She has left. Leave, left, left. Joseph borrowed 3 books from the. Joseph has borrowed. She come to teach us Japanese. She has come. Come, came, come. Third form of come is also come. She has come. Please take a look on the solved exercise so you can better understand what we have studied. Now come to the exercise B. The exercise B is something different from the exercise 1. You should be very careful when you are solving this or when you are doing with this exercise. The caption of this exercise is rewrite each sentence in the present perfect tense, inserting the adverb given in the bracket in a suitable place in the new sentence. इसमें आपको क्या कहा गया है कि ब्रैकेट्स में आपको कुछ एडवर्ब्स दिए गए हैं. You can see the movement of my ballpoint pen nib. Never, not, always, ever, yet, just, recently, yet or so on. आपने इसमें क्या करना है, you just have to change these adverb, inserting in the adverb with the with changing this sentence into the present perfect tense. ये आपको past tense में भी मिलेंगे, ये आपको simple past tense में भी मिल रहे हैं. और उसमें आपने क्या करना है, उसमें आपने इसको सबसे पहले प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में चेंज करना है. उसके बाद आपने ये एडवर्ब्स भी इन सेंटेंसेस में सूटेबल जगहों पर, सूटेबल पॉइंट्स पर आपने इनको पुट करना है. ताकि वो एक नया मीनिंग दे सकें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ the principal made the announcement. This is the example. I am giving the explanation of these examples so that you can learn easily. The principal made the announcement and the bracket the adverb is given already. The principal, this is the verb which we will change into present perfect tense. So made को हमने has already, has made कर देना है. बट इन्होंने यहाँ पर एक कैप्शन दी हुई है कि जो ब्रैकेट में आपके पास एडवर्ब्स हैं, इन एडवर्ब्स को भी आपने सूटेबल प्लेस पे लगाना है. तो जब हम यहाँ पर इसको सूटेबल प्लेस पे लगाने लगेंगे तो द प्रिंसिपल हैज़ ऑलरेडी मेड द अनाउंसमेंट. ये हो गया सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस था, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को जब हमने चेंज किया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द टाइम, ठीक है, इंसर्टिंग अ ब्रैकेट, द एडवर्ब इंसर्टिंग अ ब्रैकेट, हमने इसको चेंज किया तो हमारे पास परफेक्ट टेंस आ गया. डिड दे सी यू, येट है आपके पास, तो हमने क्या करना है, डिड को रिप्लेस करना है, हैव लगाना है. उसके बाद सी को हमने सीन करना है और येट को हमने लास्ट में लगा दिया. हैव दे सीन यू येट क्वेश्चन मार्क. फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस मैंने ये एक्सरसाइज एक पेज पर सॉल्व की है और मैं आपको ये एक्सरसाइज उसी पेज से करवाऊँगी. आपने काइंडली बहुत ज़्यादा कीनली उसको देखना है, उसको समझना है, और उसके बाद जब आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक्स पर सॉल्व करने लगेंगे तो प्लीज़ इसको ऑरल करना है आपने विदाउट एनी हेल्प. सो उससे ये होगा कि एटलीस्ट आप लोगों की भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और मुझे भी होगा कि मेरा ये लेक्चर जो है आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहा है. सो प्लीज़ इसको देखें. Yes, it is a solve exercise of क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, जिसमें हमने अभी क्या करना था, हमने जो ब्रैकेट में एडवर्ब है उसको पुट करना था विद प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो फर्स्ट हमारा जो है वो ये है, दे लेफ्ट द कंट्री, और एडवर्ब है हमारा नेवर. हमने लेफ़्ट को जो हमने करना है तो हमने यहाँ पर लगा देना है दे हैव नेवर लेफ्ट. दे हैव नेवर लेफ्ट, हमने नेवर को भी यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया. दे लेफ्ट को हमने क्या करना है, दे हैव लेफ्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन एडवर्ब को सूटेबल जगह पे प्लेस करना है, तो दे हैव नेवर लेफ्ट द कंट्री. हिज टीचर पनिश्ड हिम नॉट. हिज टीचर हैज़ नॉट पनिश्ड हिम. हैज़ तो हमने पुट करना ही है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की वजह से. नॉट एडवर्ब है, हैज़ के बाद आएगा, एंड पनिश्ड थर्ड फॉर्म सेम ही रहेगी. शी वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ डॉग्स ऑलवेज. शी हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन. वॉज है तो वॉज की थर्ड फॉर्म बीन. बी वॉज बीन. She has always been afraid of dogs. Now come to the another caption. Did your father take you there? Adverb is ever. Have replaced did with have. Have your father. Adverb ever. Take third form of take is taken you there. Have your father ever taken you there? Next is the same as we have done earlier. Did they do their work? In the adverb is given yet. Replace did with have. Have they do. Do the third form of do is done. Do did done. So we put done third form of verb because it is the rule of present perfect tense. With has or have we put third form of verb. So third form of verb, the do is done, their work, and in the last we use yet. Yet is always used in the yet in the last of the sentence. So have they done their work? Now another sentence is I wrote to my friend in London, and the adverb is just. I have just written to my friend. Wrote. Wrote is the identification of past perfect, past indefinite tense. So when we change this sentence into the present perfect tense, so we say that have just written. Have written, because with have or has we use third form of verb, and adverb is put in the suitable place. So I have just written to my friend. Now come to another. Recently she joined the police force. She has recently joined the police force. अब हम इसको recently को ना देखें, हमने सिर्फ जब इसको present perfect tense में जब हमने इसको change करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, she has joined police force. She has joined police force, but the caption is the demand of the question is to put the adverb in the suitable place. So when we put the verb in the suitable place, it will become she has recently joined police force. Did he mail the letter? And the indirect adverb is given as yet. Has he mailed the letter? Put the replace the helping verb did with has. He mailed. The third form of mail is mailed the letter, and yet is always finish the sentence. So has he mailed the letter? Next है when we received a postcard from him. Just is the adverb. We have just received a postcard from him. I used dotted line to continue the sentence, but आप भी पूरा लिखेंगे. We have just received a postcard from him. Next is he told us the news. Already he has told us the news. He has already told us the news. He has already told us the news. Already is come after has. Did you see him smile ever? Have you ever seen him smile? Replace did with have, and ever is we put after you, and the second form of see is singing. See, saw, seen, and the same after that him and smile will be the same. Have you ever seen him smile? Question mark. Yes, we have done this exercise, and I'll make a screenshot with this, so can you so that you can easily understand what is exercise and how can I solve this exercise. Hopefully this lesson will be helpful in understanding what is present perfect tense, and how can we re-sentence, restructure, and how can we make the sentence with the changing of the form of verb and put has and has. Hopefully this will help you in understanding this lecture. Thank you.